Alright, this is a 1996 to 97 Lasko model 3723 20-inch box fan. Got this fan from a flea market. Paid $1 for it because it doesn't run. It's alright though. Well, it didn't run before when I got it. This is the one from the video of all the box fans. This is the one that was dead. It was not the motor's fault. There was nothing wrong with it. It still got the original motor. The switch fell apart the second I touched it. That's what it was. The switch was not contacting. The second I touched it, it just came right apart. So, put a new switch in it, and she runs really good. Runs amazing now. Motor's in perfect shape, actually. This thing is in really, really good shape. It came out great after the cleaning. It does have a little bit of rust. It's got more rust on the sides than it has on the bottom. That's kind of strange. And on the top, there's more rust on every side than except the bottom. That's definitely a first for any fan I've owned. It looks like someone was like throwing water in this thing while it ran. The switch was also full of corrosion. Like, the switch was green inside. It was horrible. But I got all those connections cleaned up, and I cut all the wires off of the head wire and restripped them. And same thing with the cord before I put them all back into the switch. So she's got a bunch of fresh connections in there, and she's running great. I use this thing a little bit. I don't really use it all that much. The blades aren't the best balanced. It wobbles around a little bit. It doesn't affect the fan any, and it's not like it shakes across the floor or anything. It just looks a little bit funny with the fan kind of shaking like that whenever it runs. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.